In this video, we will talk about how to fix stuttering in games Windows 11. Method 1. Update drivers manually. It's better not to rely on Windows Update for drivers. Instead, manually install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel R drivers using the link I've shared in the description. Method 2. Disable background apps. Right-click on bottom bar, select Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps. Disable all unnecessary items. Simply right-click and select Disable. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Turn off hardware acceleration. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Then Display. Scroll it down, click on Graphics. You will see Advanced Graphics Settings. Click on it, then turn Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling off. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 4. Enable Ultimate Performance Mode. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following command and press Enter. I have mentioned it in the description. Afterwards, click in Search. Type Control and select Open. Change the view by to large icons and select Power Options. Click on Show Additional Plans. Select Ultimate Performance. Method 5. Disable virtualization-based security. Click in Search. Type Windows Security. Select Open. Click on Device Security. Then Core Isolation Details. Turn off Memory Integrity. Click on Yes. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. There's a chance it might causing stuttering issue. So that's how you can fix stuttering in games Windows 11. See you in the next video.